back to Finches, Finches and Finches. In today's video I will be showing you about Fawn full orange male and Florida orange breast OBBB female. This is the male which I am going to show you, the Fawn full orange male. History of this bird, orange breast bird, it was lately discovered in 1970s in Belgium. Now I'll tell you the combination of which pairing you get this bird. To acquire this combination, you have to pair with orange breast, black breast into black face. Black face is the important one, okay? And black face into orange breast or black breast. These are two combinations. Anything you can. Okay, if you compare, you will be getting mostly the results will be black face split to orange breast, black breast, normal grey split to orange breast, black breast, and many more splits you will be getting less. So in that you have to now I will tell you how to identify the splits in that. Okay. Now talking about the splits of black face splits I'm telling you. You can, if you get the chicks actually, you can see there will be an orange mark over here, orange mark on the breast region, or orange line, or otherwise if you can't able to identify that, the tail marking, where the tail marking some oranges just on lines, this will be that. Okay, same the female, you can't able to see this. You can only watch by the tail marking or the tail marking. Tail marking is very easy actually. If you can see the oranges over there. That is a black face. I'm telling you, black face to identify the splits. Now talking about the black breast splits, how to identify the black breast splits. In black breast splits, there are some categories you can tell. The cheek patches will be enlarged. The cheek patch, it will be orange, it will be enlarged. And second one is the flank spots. Over here, the flank white, that will be in oval shape. The third one is the tail marking. The tail marking will be hourglass. Like this it will be. Hourglass marking. And the tear mark will be reduced. The tear mark. Okay. Same in the female. The tear marks will be reduced, and the tail marking will be hourglass. This is I'm talking about the black breast splits. Okay. Now I told you about that black face splits and the black breast splits. Now these two combinations I'll tell you. First I'm telling you about the black face splits. Black face split to orange breast, black breast, male and female pairing. Or orange breast split, black breast split to orange breast, black breast, male or female. Pairing this, you will get full oranges like this. But you should, if you want more deeper orange till the downer part, the lower part, you should pair with black face split to orange breast, black breast, or black face split to orange breast, black breast into normal grey split to orange breast, black breast. With this two pairing, you will get more darker coloration and the orange will be more towards the belly region. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you got the information watching this video. Please share this video as much as you can. Please subscribe for watching more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the like button.